Wouldn't it be great to know how pro hackers hack into a system? So today in this video, I will show you how this is exactly done. The content on this video is designed to educate ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals to improve digital security. The video does not provide step-by-step guides for exploiting system or hacking maliciously. Blatant hacking is highly discouraged as it is illegal and can result in severe consequences. All information is shared strictly for educational purposes and to promote responsible cybersecurity practices. Viewers are expected to use this information ethically, responsibly, and in compliance with local laws. By accessing this video, you agree to use this solely for lawful purposes and to enhance cybersecurity awareness. So first, let's cover the tools you will typically need for such an operation. The first thing you will need is a basic computer. The computer does not need to have advanced configuration. It can be a basic computer. You can also use your cell phone as well, like an Android device for this. The next thing you will need is a operating system like Kali Linux. So why Kali Linux? Because Kali Linux comes pre-installed or preloaded with hundreds of powerful hacking tools. It is open source and secured at the same time. The next thing is a decent internet connection. A normal subscription of internet will work. Just make sure to have a stable connection since you will be hacking into a system remotely from one device to another device. So the next thing is setting up your lab. So setting up your lab does not mean to install all the tools in your system, but to set up your system for optimal performance. For example, configuring your network properly so that firewall is not blocking any of the tools you will be using. And finally, you can also use a VPN connection or an Tor network as well to mask your activities and keep yourself anonymous so that nobody gets a trace of where you are or what you are doing. So in this video, I covered the fundamentals of hacking and how you can set up your lab for optimal performance. In my upcoming videos, I will be coming up with all the phases of hacking. I will also demonstrate practically how you can anonymize your operating system, maintain access and cover tracks. So for getting those videos, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with Secure Technology. Thank you.